take that Rose. Wow, wow. First pull, and I pull that. Okay. I will take that dupe with pride. I can finally give her freaking Critical some shit. Ooh, what was it? What's that, 5? Oh, sure. Nasty. Oh, well, that's a good way to start a video. First, pull Rose. Wait, so it gave me a frost for 5 pods, was it? What the fuck? What's in that one? Alright. That's our time. Okay, is it this one or the next one? I'm not sure. Probably this one. Three, 4. Oh! Yes! Holy shit, we fucking pulled him on camera! Oh my god. Oh my god, what time is it? It is 2:16 in the freaking morning. Everyone's sleeping. Holy shit! Puh. Oh my god, I mean, this makes up for me now playing Ella Goku Block or Intelligence Gogeta. And hopefully we can pull Gogeta in these next 5 summons. I don't even care if we don't. I freaking pull the Ultra Instinct Goku! What a great early Christmas gift for me. Oh, that lag is terrible. Oh my god, this is... I'm gonna show all my friends tomorrow in school. I think I'm so fucking salty. What's the fucking lagging? It can't handle the power of Ultra Instinct Goku. That's what it is. It can't handle the Ultra Instinct power. Oh my god, I was so freaking hyped. Now I can finally freaking use my Okai. I have like 50 Okais I've been saving for months. Holy crap. Sorry for not doing an intro. It's just I didn't think I would pull him, so hopefully the next episode I pull will be Gogeta. I'll make a really good intelligence team, especially with that Ultra Instinct Goku boy. What is this? Master Roshi really cares about you. I mean, I do, but not in Dokkan battle. Oh my god, I still can't believe we freaking pulled him, guys. Yes. Oh, I'm so hyped. I'm going to sleep so peacefully tonight. I'm going to sleep really good tonight. I'm going to wake up and be like, yep, I pulled my Goku, bitch. I pulled that Ultra Instinct. Alright. Mr. Boo. Alright, I think this is the net. Oh, this is 2 more. Oh my god. Holy crap. I can't believe we freaking pulled it. Why is this freaking lagging so much? I'm telling you, it's the power of Ultra Instinct. This phone can handle it. Either this phone or this game. I don't think the game can handle it. This phone's brand new. God, last week. Ooh, bye guys. What is this? Gogeta. Oh, damn, I already have Goku. Should I just Baba him or something? You know what? I'll probably get him to UR and put him on my Blue Cow King Goku. I guess. This is another SSR right here. Hopefully this is Gogeta. I mean, or the Intelligence could be, or Intelligence is Gogeta. I don't have either of them. I already know. It's your boy, Skinny Penis, with an SSR. Super Saiyan 3. Shit. Either way, it's still an SSR. So this is. Oh, damn, Beerus, out of all the freaking units. I already have you two. I put like 3 of them already. Like 3. Shit. I guess I use Okai then, right? I'm not entirely sure. Let's see, good deal. See, I have all these freaking Okais. Well, this actually has been a pretty successful video, I would say. Like I said, sorry for not having an intro. I didn't think I would even pull anything that good. I mean, these are all dupes except for that Goku. I have Rose, I have that Goku, and that Beerus. But either way, 4 SSRs out of only 2 that was guaranteed. I think that's pretty awesome, considering it over only 10 summons. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this and other content as well. And I'm gonna train in a late game like I do right now. So, see you guys in the next video.